So we're going to be looking at a couple boxes. Let's see what we got first. Oh, got my sound down. 1 second. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and let's check out a couple of these boxes. Let's see which one we want to do first. Got a few on VulnHub here that we're going to do. All right. Lin Security, cold box in October. So I guess we'll just start off with Lin Security. Since we're already looking at that one, while we're doing that scan, we go ahead and make directory for Lin Security. CD in there. Let's get everything ready to go. All right. We got a mount here. It looks like these are most likely all this mount stuff and RPC. Let's go ahead and do a show mount for that, like right there. All right, looks like we got home Peter. If it is actually his home directory, we should have an SSH key. Actually, we'll see. Let's go ahead and make a directory. Temp, and we'll do a sudo mount. Tac T NFS, yep. And that's going to go to temp, and that's going to be for home Peter. And we go ahead and throw in the IP address like right here. Okay, let's go ahead and CD in the temp. All right, so looks like we got cloud local test.skip, bash RC looks pretty large after this. Go ahead and check that out. Nothing yet. Okay, there's nothing there just yet. So we'll kind of start to 1 second, trying to turn down my music. It's in my ear. All right, let's see what else we got here. Okay, let's go in cat.cloud because that one's the only one that's really weird. So nothing in there. Okay, cd.cache. Okay, cat.profile. Okay, cd.local. Fairly local. Can't look at share. All right. We don't really have much else in here, though, do we? So try SSH and see if we get anything. Okay. Nothing in there or anything like that. Huh. So not really seeing much in here. We don't have a username Peter. We can always start a Hydra attack L Peter. User share wordless rocky.txt. SSH. We also have RPC on here too. That might be something we'll have to look into. Also wonder if we can just upload like our keys into it, and then see if we can do something from there. We would need his UID first, though. I don't know how to do a stat on him. Huh. About stat temp. Okay, I can. Okay, cool. So we have a UID of 1001. So for mount, what I'm pretty sure we can actually do is actually, as long as we have the same UID, we can put a. So we're not going to with Cali, which means that we'd have to create a new user. And I literally just deleted my 2 users that I had. So we're gonna have to create a new user, and we should be able to create a SSH key for him. So let's go into CD back into temp. Whoops. Oh, I cannot do that. Okay. I wonder if I need to have the same exact UID to do anything in here as him, because it is all 1001. We are 1000, huh? Okay. Let's create a new user, and I forgot how to do that. I wonder if I actually put it in here to create a user and then change everything in there. No, I did not. We'll put it in there this time. All right, here we go. User add, boom, boom. Tag U would be the UID. Group would be the group ID, which looks like it's 1005. Let's go ahead and try that. Let's call them test. Tag U is going to be 1001. Group's going to be 1005. Or whatever. Okay, I don't care if the group does not exist. We just want to make it group add. I wonder if I just need to add a group. Or I wonder if we create that user now. Let's just try to SU with a test. Okay, so what if we just don't even need a group? Let's try without a group first. Group test exist. Set group use tag G. The fuck. Okay. Now we just need to put a password in for him, right? I always forget how to do this part, like right here. All right. Could just always go in there and just do it like that. There's passwords now test. Okay, so we have UID of 1001. Hopefully we can keep that group. We'll see here in a second. Okay, we can. Then we want to do an SSH key gen, right? Okay. Sure, that's fine. No passphrase, no passphrase. Copy test or .sh, right? ID, RSA, or authorized keys, I think. We don't have any authorized keys in there. Do we just want to copy the public to right here? Then we'll move public to authorized keys, right? And that should then allow us to be able to SSH It's Peter at the IP address, right? I think. I forgot the IP address of this one. I think we can do it like that. No, it's need his password still. Okay. Because I feel like I should not need his password anymore if we're gonna do it like that. Okay, let's go ahead and I feel like we shouldn't need his password. I spelled authorized wrong. There we go. All right, sweet. There we go. Cool. All right. So we can go ahead and put that into our mount one over here. Well, first let's go into here. We'll say, actually add user to mount. We'll say that. Okay. So first we did our stat. And we got our, that we were test right, or 1001 right. Okay. From here, we made that user after that, right? Did I make him down here or up here? I think I made him up here. Now we can make an SSH key for this user, then put that key, then put that public key, and rename it authorized keys into the mount. Okay. All right. From here, we did our SSH key generate. And then we decide to go ahead and copy over the public key, the authorized keys. Then from here, we went ahead and SSH into him. All right, cool. So we want to do a sudo tac-l. Oh, we do have a sudo. Okay, strace. This should actually be a pretty easy day. Let's go and cd into user bin. That was not what I thought it was going to be, okay? Let's go ahead and get rid of the tac-p. Huh. They got us with that one, didn't they? So, what does strace actually do? Let's see here. Let's actually read it. We could write files also. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do a Etsy password. Hey, what's up? What do you like to know? How you doing? We'll bring this to Etsy password. And then we'll do an strace and we'll do we'll write to that file. Then we'll just put the data into it, right? So we'll go ahead and we'll, for our data, we'd want to echo something into it, right? Or just read it. Is it lfile to write or read? Lfile write, yeah, so we could write to it. So we should be able to write to Etsy password and put in our own stuff, right? Huh. I just don't really feel like deleting everyone else's stuff on here. Let's go ahead and stop that like real quick. Let's go ahead and copy all this just in case. What's that? We actually have a password right here. I feel like that is not a hash. But we could try it. I've been on, well, I started back up again on here. Okay, so it's password. We're pretty sure it's password. I mean, it just keeps shouting that at us, so we're going to go with that. But that strace though, okay, we're root. All right, now what I want to do, let's go ahead and cat. That's the password. Because I still want to try out that strace, because if we can do stuff with that, then... Okay. Let's go ahead and exit out of here. Let's see if we get that strace to work. Okay, so alpha equals that's the password. Then we got to put the data in here, right? Going to do with this, it just says tac data. So I wonder if we can do. That's not what I wanted actually. I actually wanted this one like right here. Let's see here. Let's just try to say echo. Or if we have to actually do some of this. It's very, very strange. Well, I guess I have the sudo capability, huh? So, did I not run sudo with the other one? I probably didn't, did I? Because I'm an asshole, huh? Yep. There, we're root again. Okay. And then I guess if we also have this like right here, then we could also run sudo. It's strange. Okay. So it's a little bit smarter. Okay. That's alright. But we can do a sudo tac l, and we can run. Oh. That's weird. That was very, very weird, because we definitely got to root the first time with it. It's right there with the sudo strace like that. And now we can't. Alright, whatever. Hey. Let's say we completed it. We call it a day. Alright, so there's one down, right?